Welcome, I'm Victor Jakubiuk, the head of AI at Ampere. I'm excited to be here to talk about running AI workloads on Ampere Altra-based Azure virtual machines. Let me show you how to access them on Ampere Altra-based Azure virtual machines in just a few simple steps. Log in at Microsoft Azure and click Create a Resource. Type in Virtual Machine into the search bar and select the virtual machine offering by clicking Create. On the Virtual Machine Resource subpage, click Create. Select Subscription and the resource group you want to create the virtual machine in. Name your new virtual machine and click See All Images. Click on Community Images Preview. Type Ampere into the search bar and select the virtual machine labeled Ampere Computing AI under the Publisher field. There's a separate image for each supported framework. Select the virtual machine size that fits your needs. After changing other fields according to your needs, click Review plus Create. After the successful validation of the VM template, click Create.